Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This was probably the first week of May, and my brother and I just randomly decided a night before that we will go on a morning walk. So I got up around 6 and I was really excited to go on a walk in the morning because it's been so long since I actually woke up that early. We went to get some stuff for our breakfast and then we were feeling a little bit hungry, so we just decided to have some mixed fruit juice. So we were making our friends try laughing for the very first time, and as you can see, he didn't like it, but let's see what happens with her. I think she likes it. Gaslighting her into thinking that she likes it, which actually worked and she ended up liking it, so our job is done. Meeting after how long? 2 years? No,
not 2 years.
it hasn't been 2 years, but it's definitely been a year. We are in Vietnam, sitting roadside. You hate Vietnam? Oh, okay. So a little backstory about who these people are. These are the people that I spent like most of my college life with, and we were all in dance society, so we used to like practice together, dance, and like go to competitions and stuff, and it was really fun. Also, I love this kurti. I probably took 50 videos of myself that day. I got it from Janpath, one of the best kurtis that I own. Okay, enough about the kurti. Then came our food. But what I actually loved the most about that day was this beautiful sunset. It just made my day. It's 8:15 a.m. I just woke up and I have plans to go out today. So I will be vlogging and showing you guys everything. I'm running a little late as I have a class at 9 and I still haven't showered, so I have to be a little quick. It's been so long since I've been at home studying, so I feel like I should go out and, just feel a little better. So I got ready and I went to my class first, after which I headed to the metro station because I was meeting my friend there because it was super hot that day. So we just decided to go to MKT. It's much better than other open areas. So we ordered our favorite food to eat there, which is veg thukpa. I don't know how many times I've told you guys this, but I just love it. And we also had the chili garlic noodles, which is also really nice. It had been 3 hours since we were sitting in this particular cafe, so the owner, started looking at us very suspiciously. So we just decided to pay the bill and went to another cafe to get some drinks. I got cold coffee, she got this watermelon mojito, and both were really good. So One of my most favorite things to do in Delhi is to go for an evening walk in CP. So whenever I'm out and it's like past 4 p.m., I always end up going to CP for a walk. Whether you are alone or with someone, you just need to put on some good music and roam around the area. It will instantly become the best day of your life. Look at that color, it's so pretty. So basically my mom has been making this beetroot, tomato and carrot juice at home. Like, it doesn't taste bad at all and it's really nice. Anyways, it's Sunday today and I have not had like a lot of alone time this year, especially this month. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of life updates. So I started this channel last year in January, I guess on 26 January, which was Republic Day. I don't know why I started on that day, but it just felt like a nice day to, start something that I've been putting off for a really long time. And like when I first started this channel, I was making vlogs very enthusiastically, like how it always is when you start something new. And then when you kind of like in the middle of doing something, or when it gets a little tough and exhausting, that's when you're like, oh, maybe I'll just do it a little less. But when you also know that it's something that you really want to do, you can't really, keep postponing it for a very long time, because then it starts eating you. Sometimes I fall back in the process of editing. Like whenever I'm going out, I'll vlog the whole day, and when it's time to like sit down and actually edit the 1 hour long clips, I'm like very slow in that process. So I need to fix that. So yeah, this is my agenda for the month. I will be posting more on Instagram and more on YouTube as well. Wish me luck. I should probably sit down to study. I usually don't really study on Sundays, but I went out on Friday. I feel like I should study and like compensate for the time that I actually spent not studying. So we're gonna do that, and